Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiana and you're welcome to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel, yo. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be day in the life. Today is currently Sunday, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I do on a Sunday. Today I'll be cleaning the room, and then I'll be cleaning the kitchen, as well as making garden egg stew for my mom. I prepared light soup off camera, but it's currently done right now. So let me show you guys how this apartment is. So let me show you guys how this room is looking like. I don't know why I keep on repeating apartment. Like, I need to get my own space. But where is the mullah? Where is the mullah? I don't even know. I'll show you guys how this place is looking right now, and then we'll get straight into cleaning this place. Just saw how the room is looking right now. 90% is because of my younger brother. Like, anytime my brother is home, anytime my brother is like around, I do all the cleaning. Like, I do cleaning, because this boy knows how to pick stuff from his wardrobe, but doesn't know how to put them back, or doesn't know how to, you know, organize the wardrobe when he takes his clothes. Let's get straight into cleaning the place. You know, I just wanted to, you know, tell you guys my brother was the main reason why this place is looking dirty. Like, this place is not looking dirty, but like, it's looked unorganized. So I just wanted to tell you guys my brother is the reason why. That's all. I don't want you guys to put it on me.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying juicy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
One eternity later.
So it's currently Tuesday right now, and I'm about to start preparing dinner. Today I feel like eating fried yam in a fries way, in the sliced, like, you know, chopped. You guys are going to see how I'm going to slice the yam and everything, and then I'm going to be doing scrambled egg. You know, I saw this on my cousin's status, and then I have been eating this ever since. Like, I saw that on her page, like I saw that on her WhatsApp status. Like, baby, I'm obsessed. So today, this is what I'm going to be eating. And then, yeah, so let's start on, you know, prepping for the fries.
how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning, running away to the land of discovery.
So I just finished slicing the yam and I have placed it in the fridge. I don't know, ever since I started putting my fries in the fridge and then coating them in chilled water, it has, you know, changed my frying game. Like, it has changed my fries game, and I really love that for me. So yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys when it's time for me to fry the fries.
Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits, going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on then, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
It tastes really good. But anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next one.